All right, Goldrich, Jackson, and Chantavia Ferrier, please unmute and turn your cameras.
She
Do you
didn't
swear the
show up.
testimony? I'm sorry?
She didn't show up.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Let me do my job, sir. All right. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. It looks like this case was transferred from another county. I guess you was served at that. So, Ms. Nutt, are y'all ready to proceed with the default?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
The state calls the father. Sir, will you state your name?
Goldrich Jackson.
And what's the name of the child on this case?
Sakira Jackson.
And how old is Sakira?
17.
And who is she currently living with?
Me. As of
And how,
as of June the 4th, 2024.
okay. And was it an agreement between you and Miss Ferrier that Sakira come to live with you?
So they had got it was a incident that happened where CPS got involved. Um her mom got into a physical altercation. Her mom jumped on her. She called the police. They reported to CPS, and she moved with me. And CPS came to the house, interviewed her, and then they sent a letter saying they don't see no reason why she can't live with me. And I've been having her ever since June 4th, 2024.
Okay. And you have enrolled her in school in your district?
Yes, Lancaster ISD.
Okay. And what kind of health insurance coverage does she have?
I would be adding her. I know she had Medicaid, paying medical support, but I don't know. And I was gonna tell the other one I would add her to my insurance through my job, medical and dental.
Okay. And because you currently have possession of her, we're requesting that your child support be modified to $0 per month. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see. And Your Honor, may I share my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, can you see this pay record?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna scroll down to the bottom. So, we are showing that your child support arrears balance is $939.79. However, we've calculated possession credits for you. And so after credits, your child support arrears will be $0 as of January 26, 2025. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And we are showing that your medical support arrears balance is $176.26 as of yesterday. Are you in agreement to pay that balance at $20 per month beginning February 1st, 2025?
I had put the payment on hold, and she's the woman that I just spoken with before you. She said she was gonna take it out of the money that's on hold.
Okay, but you agree that you owe that money, the
Yes, ma'am.
176.26?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Your Honor, I'd like to offer this pay record as State Exhibit A into evidence.
All right, so it's admitted.
Okay. And Mr. Jackson, are you requesting that court costs be waived since you have possession of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any safety concerns if the mother has your address or your phone number?
Well, she has my phone number. She harassed me a couple months ago, but I mean, I'll call the police.
Do you have safety concerns if she has your address?
Not really, because I'll call the police. I know Lancaster
Does she
police
have your
station is close.
address right now?
Yes, ma'am. She has my address. Yes.
Okay. And are you okay with it being printed in the court order?
No, don't print it in
Or
the court order because I don't know if she remember my address, but I have cameras also.
okay, so are you asking for a non-disclosure so your information is marked as confidential?
Yes.
Okay. And that's because she's been harassing you in the past?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything else you want the court to know about your case?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'll go ahead and pass the witness.
Okay, we're granting a default judgment confirming the arrears as stated. That we have to set a payment plan on the medical support arrears, assuming that maybe you don't have money on hold, because I don't deal with that. But if they have money on hold, they'll apply that first. And so then if you have a zero balance, then that payment plan won't be necessary. I'm granting your non-disclosure and court costs are waived by the court. We're only doing a first step here, Mr. Jackson, so understand that if you want the Attorney General's office to do this next step, which would be to put her on child support, for you to get primary custody and for her to have visitation orders, then you would need to apply for their services for them to do that. You
I
haven't,
applied.
you haven't done that before, so they're only trying to fix the financial issues as it affects you, like stopping your child support and dealing with your arrears, but we're not doing that next step. So is that something you want to do? You can contact the Attorney General's office after court if you want them to move forward with that, but otherwise we're just kind of helping doing the financial issues today only and not changing custody. You might want to have a custody order if that's something you want to seek. All right.
Okay.
The
Yes,
Attorney
sir.
General's office will email you a copy of that, and it'll take them a couple weeks to process all the changes on your accounts. So just give them a little bit of time to do that. You're done with court, sir. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Yeah.